The secret to 10x your Hamster Combat Airdrop rewards. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we'll show you the secret to maximizing your Hamster Combat Airdrop just dropped, and I'm about to show you how to potentially 10x your rewards. And we're talking about something huge in the Hamster Combat world. If you've been grinding away on this game, you're going to want to pay close attention. The team just released a game-changing update that could seriously boost your airdrop rewards. Let's break it down and make sure you're not leaving money on the table. So Hamster Combat just rolled out the new envelope or letter feature in their bot. At first glance, it might not seem like much, but trust me, this little envelope is the key to unlocking some serious potential gains. Here's the deal. We've known for a while that everyone who joined Hamster Combat would be getting an airdrop, but here's what a lot of people missed. The size of that airdrop wasn't set in stone. Now, I don't know about you, but I'd much rather get a $200 airdrop than a $10 one, right? Well, that's exactly what this update is all about. The team has basically created a way to reward the most active and dedicated players with bigger airdrops. It's like a loyalty program, but for crypto gaming. Let's dive into how this works. When you open up the Hamster Combat bot now, you'll see this new envelope icon. Click on it, and boom, you're looking at your achievements. These aren't just for show, folks. Each of these achievements is directly tied to the size of your potential airdrop. Think about it. If everyone got the same size airdrop regardless of how much time and effort they put in, would that be fair? Probably not. Plus, it would cost the project a ton of money. So instead, they've come up with this clever system to reward the most engaged players. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if I'm on track for the big bucks? Great question. Here's what you need to do. First, go to the Buy Skin option in the bot, then check out your profile, and look for the Achievements section and hit See All. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a bunch of different achievements listed. The goal is get as many green check marks as you can. Each green check mark is like a little gold star, pushing you closer to that maximum airdrop potential. Let me break down some of these achievements for you. Upgrade card levels. You want to hit level 15 here, then level 25 here. Coin balance. Keep stacking those coins. Invite friends. Spread the word and get rewarded. Unlock skins. Aim for 50 total skins. Profit per hour. Push for that 3 million mark. Watch hamster videos on YouTube. Be sure to watch the videos from the Earn section. Telegram activity. Stay active in the community. Now here's a pro tip. A lot of people are going to miss out on that Telegram achievement. Why? Because they joined late or they're not staying active. But not you, right? You're going to be on top of this. Let's talk strategy. If you're looking at your achievements and seeing a lot of empty checkboxes, don't panic. We've still got time to turn this around. Focus on the easiest wins first. 1. Boost your coin balance. Use those daily combos we talk about. 2. Invite some friends. Post about Hamster Combat on Twitter. Telegram. Tell everybody, guys. Spread the word. 3. Unlock more skins. Use those tokens you've been saving up. 4. Upgrade your cards. Pump those coins into leveling up. Here's the thing. If you can get green check marks across the board, you're golden. You'll be sitting pretty at the top tier for airdrop rewards. It's like having a first-class ticket to Profit Town. Now, I know some of you out there have been hoarding coins, thinking that a massive coin balance is the key to the biggest withdrawal. Let me set the record straight. It's not just about your coin balance. These achievements are the real deal. So if you're sitting on a mountain of coins, it's time to put them to work. Spend them on completing these achievements. Trust me, it'll pay off in the long run. This envelope update? It's not just a cute little feature. It's Hamster Combat's way of sending us a secret message. They're telling us exactly what we need to do to maximize our rewards. And now that you know the secret, you've got a massive advantage over all those players who are just tapping away without a strategy. Think about it. When withdrawal time comes, do you want to be the person celebrating a $200 airdrop or the one feeling disappointed with $10? The choice is yours, and the path to those bigger rewards is clear. Let's recap the game plan. 1. Check your achievements regularly. 2. Focus on turning those empty boxes into green check marks. 3. Use your resources wisely. Coins, tokens, everything. 4. Stay active in every community. Get more referrals. 5. Keep grinding those daily combos for maximum coin generation. Remember, every green check mark is another step toward the top-tier airdrop. It's not just about playing the game anymore, it's about playing it smart. Now, I can already hear some of you asking, but what if I'm starting from scratch? Is it too late? Absolutely not. While you might have some catching up to do, every achievement you complete improves your standing. Don't let perfect be the enemy of good. Start where you are and push for as many check marks as you can. Here's the beautiful thing about this update. It rewards dedication and strategy, not just luck or who got in first. It's a chance for the real Hamster Combat enthusiasts to shine and be rewarded for their efforts. As we wrap up, I want you all to take a moment and really let this sink in. The Hamster Combat team has essentially given us a roadmap to maximizing our profits. They didn't have to do this, but they did. It's up to us to take advantage of it. So, what are you waiting for? As soon as this video ends, I want you to open up that Hamster Combat bot, check your achievements, and start crushing those goals. Every minute counts. Remember, knowledge is power, but only if you act on it. Don't be the person who watches this video and then does nothing. Be the one who takes action and reaps the rewards. And that's it for today's video. If there are any updates, I'll make sure to drop a new video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.